A Google Business Profile, formerly Google My Business, is a free listing online that you can use to increase the visibility of your business on Google. We still get many clients who don't understand the importance of the Google Business Profile or how to use it and manage to grow their business. So in this video, I'll show you the 4 principles that you need to follow to increase visibility on Google to get more customers and strategies behind it. Hi, I'm Josh from the University of La Verne Small Business Development Center, and SBDCs are local centers funded by the SBA that help small businesses with free one-on-one consulting and free training guides just like this one. So let's get started. The first and newest edition of our principles that Google added that you can use to increase the quality and discoverability of your Google Business Profile is experience. Let's take a look at what Google says about experience. Consider the extent to which content has necessary first-hand or life experience for the topic. For example, which would you trust? Product review from someone who has personally used the product, or a review by someone who has not? Now, how can we apply this to our profile? Well, since Google is looking for information related to genuine experiences, reviews that include photos showcasing the product in the actual review, like this example, this signals to Google that the reviewer visited the location, provided pictures of the product, and during the visit and in the review. So encouraging customers to not only review your business, but to include some photos of the product or service they reviewed will build your experience. Second principle is expertise. Now, the first thing that comes to mind when we say expertise might be degrees, licenses, memberships in some prestigious association. But many small business owners may not need any of those things to be an expert in their field. So let's take a look at what Google says about expertise. Consider to which the content has the necessary knowledge or skill for the topic. Different topics require different levels of and types of expertise to be trustworthy. So for example, which would you trust? A home electrical rewiring advice from a skilled electrician, or from an antique homes enthusiast who has no knowledge of electrical wiring to begin with? Expertise doesn't necessarily mean education or degrees, because your local retail shop or crafter may not have a fancy degree, but they do have the expertise in their specific craft. So how can you communicate that expertise to your Google Business Profile? Well, strive to get mentions of your industry in your reviews. If a reviewer mentions your industry, then that signals to Google your expertise. Connect your social media accounts to share expertise in your industry. If you share content that talks about your expertise, then they will likely contribute to your expertise as well. How-to content on YouTube. A YouTube channel related to your business shows your expertise and increases your visibility online. Posts and videos that demonstrate your expertise. Creating posts or videos that demonstrate your expertise on your profile. Links to blog posts. Creating backlinks to your website or to posts you have created on guest sites with a call to action can impact your profile. Now, as a business, you want to come across as an authority, especially if you're a service provider like a consultant. Here's what Google says about it. Now, consider to the extent to which content or the website is known as a go-to source for a topic. While the topics do not have an official authoritative website or content creator, when they do, that website or content creator often among the most reliable and trustworthy sources. Now, when people want info, they check out the go-to person or authority in their field. Now, to be an authority, a business has got to prove it's dependable and can be trusted. So that's where using all the features in your Google Business Profile comes in, like your address, your phone number, pictures of your business, and maybe even some awesome reviews from some happy customers. Now, how can you build authority on your Google Business Profile? Well, here are some other tips. Publish Google Profile posts. Encourage customers to post reviews. Upload images to your listing about products, services, and events. Add and respond to questions and answers. Now, trust is the highest priority to the convergence of experience, expertise, and authority. And this is where trust lies, and where you need to build it. Trust is about knowing your stuff is accurate, easy to find, and legit. Take, for instance, Costco. Their Contact Us page is like a beacon of trustworthiness, offering heaps of ways for customers to reach out. It screams, "We're legit and we're here to help you." However, trust isn't just about being experienced, an expert, and authoritative. There's more to it than that. Think about stuff like customer service details for online shops or peer-reviewed papers for academics. These little-known things can make a big difference in how much the public can trust your business online. Now, how can you apply this to your Google Business profile? Well, you want to make sure that you respond to all reviews, good and bad. You want to optimize your Google Business profile and use all the features like the hours, the amenities, contact information to build trust in the marketplace. And like any relationship, trust takes a lot of time, so be patient and consistent. So managing your Google Business profile to grow your small business can be confusing on what to post and how to approach it. Combining all of these strategies and utilizing the principles will build trust and increase visibility on Google. Now you just need to invest time into optimizing your profile by adding content like posts, pictures, and videos at least once per week and replying to reviews to manage your reputation. Now remember, you have to access insights like how many people search for your business, call you or message you, and keep up with them to make new sales. If you found this guide helpful, leave us a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when new content that impacts small business owners like you gets uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.